Welcome! In this video, you'll learn exactly how to send a video post on the X app, yes, the platform we all used to call Twitter, right from your computer. The latest update has made things look a little different, but don't worry. I'll walk you through each step so you can do it effortlessly. First, open the X app on your PC. If you haven't installed it yet, grab it from the Microsoft Store and sign in with your account. Once you're in, you'll be greeted by your main feed, showing posts from people you follow and the latest trending content. Now scroll until you find the video you want to share. It could be a funny clip, breaking news, or anything that catches your attention. Take a moment to open the post fully by clicking on it. This ensures you're sharing the right video, not just a timeline preview. Next, look just below the video player. You'll see a few familiar icons like repost and one that looks like an arrow pointing upward. That's the share icon. Go ahead and click it. A small menu will appear with several sharing options. From here, select Share via direct message. This option lets you send the video privately to another user on X, instead of posting it publicly. After selecting it, a search bar will appear. Type the name or handle of the person you want to send the video to. Once you find them, click their profile in the list to add them to the message. You can include more than one person if you'd like, perfect for sharing something funny with a group. When you're ready, click Send. The video post will instantly be delivered to their inbox, and they'll receive a notification about your message. That's it. You've successfully shared a video post using the new X app for PC. So next time you come across something worth sharing, skip the copy-paste routine, just send it directly through X in a few quick clicks.